perfectly brewed cup of coffee with a Café Du Chateau French press. Unlike other cheap presses, this French press uses a 4-level filtration system to give you the purest possible flavor without unwanted grounds or muddiness. The base, lid, and handle are made of 304 grade stainless steel for a resilient shine and rust-free finish. Plus, the removable carafe is made from heavy, tempered borosilicate glass that withstands boiling water. Brew like a barista with the Café Du Chateau French press.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.